What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best pet grooming vacuum kits in 2023. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. The Bunfly Dog Clipper Grooming Kit and Vacuum Suction. The versatility of the Bunfly Dog Clipper. Not only does it keep your pet's fur looking shiny and smooth, but it also doubles up as a handy cleaning tool for your home. Say goodbye to crumbs on the sofa and dust in the corners. This tool is a game changer for pet owners who want a clean and stylish living space. The Bunfly comes with a 3L dust cup, which means you can groom not just one but 2 large dogs without worrying about frequent emptying. And here's the best part. Cleaning the hair collector is a breeze. With just one finger, it opens up for non-contact cleaning. No mess, no fuss. Worried about scaring your furry friends? Fear not. The Bunfly's special noise reduction treatment ensures a gentle grooming experience. The working sound is as low as 50 decibels, and there are 3 adjustable suction levels. We recommend pampering your pet with some treats and affection before grooming. Your pet will feel relaxed and pampered, not intimidated. Grooming while vacuuming. That's the magic of the Bunfly. Its powerful vacuum design boasts a suction power of up to 13 kPa, capturing a staggering 99.99% of the hair in the vacuum cup. No more hair sticking to your clothes, and no need for post-combing cleanup. It's efficient and hassle-free. The Bunfly Pet Grooming Kit and Vacuum come with a generous 1-year warranty. Plus, there's 7*24 hours customer service ready to assist you whenever you need it. Your satisfaction and your pet's comfort are their top priorities. In conclusion, the Bunfly Dog Clipper Grooming Kit and Vacuum Suction is a game-changer for pet owners. Its versatility, large capacity, and pet-friendly design make grooming a breeze. Say goodbye to messy cleanups and hello to a stylish, pet-friendly home. Don't miss out on this fantastic tool for your furry friends. Number 4. The Feiduck Dog Grooming Kit with Pet Grooming Vacuum Suction. The pet hair problem. Feiduck's grooming kit boasts an impressive 13 kPa vacuum function, which means it can collect a whopping 99% of pet fur while you're grooming your furry friend. Say goodbye to those pesky pet hair messes on your furniture and floors. We all know how sensitive our pets can be to loud sounds. The Feiduck Grooming Kit is designed with your pet's comfort in mind. It operates at a noise level below 50 decibels, ensuring a peaceful grooming experience for your furry companion. Plus, there are 3 adjustable suction levels to choose from, allowing you to find the perfect setting for your pet. The Feiduck Grooming Kit comes equipped with 11 professional grooming tools. Whether you're trimming, grooming, or de-shedding, you'll have the right tool for the job. It's like having a professional groomer right at home, saving you time and money. Now, let's talk convenience. The Feiduck Kit features a generous 2.5L dust cup. This means less frequent emptying while you're grooming, which translates to increased efficiency. Emptying the dust cup is a breeze with just one click. Simple and hassle-free. Worried about after-sales support? Feiduck has you covered with a 12-month warranty for every pet grooming kit with vacuum. And if you ever have questions or need assistance, their 7*24 customer service is ready to help. Your satisfaction is their priority. In conclusion, the Feiduck Dog Grooming Kit with Pet Grooming Vacuum Suction is a game-changer for pet owners. It tackles the pet hair problem, keeps your pet comfortable with low noise levels, offers a variety of professional grooming tools, and makes the entire process convenient. Say hello to a cleaner home and a happier pet. Number 3. The oneisall Dog Hair Vacuum and Grooming Kit, a game-changer in pet care. I haven't used this product before, so let's discover it together. The oneisall grooming clippers come with a powerful vacuum function, capable of collecting a remarkable 99% of pet hair into a vacuum container. No more loose fur scattered around the house. Groom your pet, and the hair is neatly sucked away. It's a game changer for keeping your home clean. The oneisall kit offers just that. You can use the dog clippers, paw trimmer, and nail grinder individually, cordlessly, without the need to connect hoses. Want to use them with a vacuum? You can do that too. It's all about convenience, giving you the freedom to groom your pet anywhere, whether it's indoors or outdoors. We all know how sensitive our furry companions can be to loud noises. The oneisall grooming vacuum is designed with your pet's comfort in mind. It operates at a mere 60 decibels, and there are 3 adjustable suction levels. Your pets will feel relaxed and won't be scared during grooming. Now, let's talk about practicality. The 1.5L dust box is a standout feature, offering 25% more capacity than other options. It means less frequent emptying, and the dust cup is easy to empty, mess-free, thanks to the quick empty lid. Plus, the device's space-saving design makes storage a breeze. They even provide storage boards and bags for your convenience. The oneisall Pro Pet Grooming Kit truly does it all. The grooming brush and deshedding tool keep your pet's fur shiny, smooth, and tangle-free. The electric clipper, dog paw trimmer, and nail grinder provide precise cutting. And the nozzle head and cleaning brush help collect pet hair from carpets, sofas, and floors, keeping your home tidy. In conclusion, the oneisall dog hair vacuum and grooming kit is a must-have for pet owners. It tackles the pet hair problem, offers versatility with individual and vacuum use, keeps your pet calm with low noise, and makes grooming a breeze. Say goodbye to messy cleanups and hello to a well-groomed pet and a clean home. Number 2. The LMVVC Grooming Kit with 2.3L Vacuum Suction. Let's dive right in with the LMVVC's standout feature, the 2.3L larger dust cup. You'll love this because it means fewer trips to empty out pet hair. Imagine grooming your furry friend without fur flying everywhere. It all goes directly into the canister. Plus, it's incredibly easy to disassemble and clean, ensuring a hassle-free experience. Say goodbye to post-grooming cleanup headaches. The LMVVC kit can instantly capture a remarkable 99% of pet hair. That means there's practically only 1% of cleaning to do, and the rest is efficiently vacuumed up. This isn't an exaggeration. It's a game changer for anyone who grooms their pets at home. We all know how noise can affect our pets during grooming. The LMVVC Pet Grooming Kit is designed with low noise decibels in mind. It's quieter than you'd expect, which is a huge plus. No more scaring your beloved dog or cat away. In fact, it's quieter than your hairdryer and won't disrupt the peace at home. Versatility is key when it comes to grooming, and the LMVVC understands that. It offers a 5-in-1 pet grooming kit, including a slicker brush, comb, clippers and guards, fabric brush, and hose. The electrical cord is generously long, and the hose itself provides ample reach. The clippers are powered by the wire in the hose, which is a brilliant design choice. Worried about product quality and support? You shouldn't be. The LMVVC Grooming Kit comes with a 3-year warranty from the date of purchase, and within the first year, any quality issues will be taken care of free of charge. Plus, their fast after-sales service ensures you get prompt answers to your questions. In conclusion, the LMVVC Grooming Kit with 2.3L Vacuum Suction is a must-have for pet owners who groom their pets at home. With its larger dust cup, exceptional hair capturing capabilities, low noise, versatility, and solid warranty, it's a product. Number 1. The Kadio Pet Grooming Vacuum for Dogs. Stay tuned because this could be the solution you've been looking for. The Kadio Pet Grooming Vacuum is a game changer for pet owners. It's designed specifically to tackle the issue of pet hair shedding. Say goodbye to those pesky furballs all over your furniture and clothes. Not only does this vacuum have strong suction power, but it's also impressively quiet, with noise levels of less than 60 decibels. Your furry friend won't be running for cover when you bring this out. It's efficient and non-threatening. Time and money are precious, right? Well, this grooming vacuum saves you both. It's more efficient and cost-effective compared to traditional grooming methods. No more pricey trips to the groomer for your pet, but that's not all. This vacuum comes with a cordless electric clipper that's perfect for trimming pet paw hair. It's a complete solution for tackling pet hair shedding. Convenience at its best. Here's the cherry on top. It's versatile. With 5 detachable brushes and a nozzle, it's suitable for dogs of all sizes. It's not just a vacuum, it's a complete grooming kit. Talk about a multi-purpose tool. In conclusion, so, there you have it, folks. The Kadio Pet Grooming Vacuum for dogs is a must-have for pet owners. Say goodbye to pet hair woes and hello to a clean and happy pet. Don't miss out on this fantastic solution. Click the link in the description to grab yours today. Ultimately, the best pet grooming vacuum for you will depend on your individual needs and budget. Consider the size of your home, the type of flooring you have, and the amount of pet hair you need to remove. Also, think about how much you are willing to spend. With so many great options available, you are sure to find the perfect pet grooming vacuum for your home. Hope you found this video helpful. Please feel free to leave a comment suggestions for future videos or questions you have, as we love getting to respond to as many of those as we can. And if you subscribe to the channel, welcome to our Era Review Zone family. We've got lots more videos coming your way into. Till then, stay safe, stay awesome, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.